where we're at right now. So we need all the AM folks to help get the orange boat and the red boat to the top, and we got to get the paddles to the top. If you were a PM, was one of our folks again? Was one of those folks in the row? Okay. Okay.
That is the rapid I went through. This is me, Jaden. A pretty good one. Let's get a little closer. Yep. Jackson heading down. Again. Looking pretty strong going down that part. Heading for the rapids.
Amazing paddling action.
Woo! Take the dip. Yeah.
Ian Jackson,
Are you PM?
No, not PM. But I gotta do it again in AM. Ha.
Jackson, come on, Jackson!